All right, so you need your homework from yesterday, your study sheet. If you don't have your study sheet, if you don't have your homework, then you need to get out your blue math notebook because you need to write this down in your blue math notebook. If you have your study sheet, you need to make sure you got the right answers when you studied last night. And so just make sure that you know what you're doing. Okay, so let's do a quick review. Rectangle, area equals length times width. Square, area equals side to the 2, side squared. Triangle, area equals base times height divided by 2. Circle, area equals pi times r to the 2, or r squared, radius. All right, we did A, and now we'll do B. So for the area of a rectangle, A equals L times W. The L is the length, the long one. The W is the width, the shorter one. A equals 15 times 7.5. So I go over to my outside calculations, and 15 times 7.5. 5 times 5 is 25, carry your 2. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 2 that you carried is 7. Put your x, move to the 7. 7 times 5 is 35, carry your 3. 7 times 1 is 7, plus the 3 that you carried is 10. 5 plus nothing is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12, carry your 1. 1 plus nothing is 1, and 1 plus nothing is 1. 1 decimal spot, 1 decimal spot. So the area of my rectangle is 112 and 5 meters squared. So make sure you got that right, make sure you got that written down, make sure you understand this is your last chance to ask for help before your quiz. So we did square, let's do D. Area of a square, so A equals S to the 2, A equals, so I know that S is 14.2, so that's 14.2 to the 2. Now remember, that means 14.2 times 14.2. So let's do that over here. We're gonna need some space for this. 14.2 times 14.2, because we're going to have 3 answer lines before we can add. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. Put your x, move to the 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 1 that you carried is 5. Put 2 x's and move to the 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. So now that I have my 3 answer lines, I can add them up. 4 plus nothing is 4. 8 plus 8 is 16, carry your 1. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus the 1 that you carried is 10, carry your 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 decimal spots, 1, 2 decimal spots. So the area of my square is 201 and 64 kilometers squared. All right, make sure you got that written down. Make sure you got that right if you got it on your answer sheet. Ask for help if you need it. And let's move to the triangles. So we did E, and now we're going to do F. So the base is where the height makes the right angle. So I know that the base is down here, the height is up here. So area equals base times height divided by 2. Area equals 63 times 47 divided by 2. All right, so I don't know if we're gonna have enough room for this. I'm gonna write small. But first of all, we need to do 63 times 47. So we have to do that first. Do your times first, then your divide. 7 times 3 is 21, carry your 2, sorry. 7 times 6 is 42, plus the 2 that I carried is 44, put your x. 4 times 3 is 12, carry your 1. 4 times 6 is 24, plus the 1 that you carried is 25, add up your answer lines. 1 plus nothing is 1, 4 plus 2, is 6, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 2 plus nothing is 2. All right, no decimal spots, so no decimal spots. Area equals 2,961 divided by 2. So I still have to do my divide. So we'll do that over here. 2 into 2,961. So again, you're going to use your chart. If you don't know your multiplications off the top of your head, use your multiplication chart. 2 goes into 2, closest thing, with 1 as your answer. 2 goes into 9. Look down your 2's, the closest thing to 9 without going over. Look on the side, your answer. 2 goes into 16, look down your 2's, the closest thing without going over, and then look on the side, your answer. 2 can't go into 1. But it can go into 10. So 2 into 10, you look down your 10's, so you look down your 2's, the closest thing without going over, look on the side, what's going to be in your answer, 0 remainder. So 1,480 and 5, that's the area of your triangle. Centimeters squared. Don't forget that part. All right, and last but not least, we've got to do our circle. So, oh, too far. There you go. So I already know it's the radius. I don't need to do anything to the circle before I use my formula. I have the radius already. So area equals pi times r squared. Area equals 3.14 times 1 squared. This is going to be a lot of math, but that's okay as long as you just follow the steps. So the first thing I need to do is 18.7 squared. So remember, that means 18.7 times 18.7. That's the first thing we've got to do. 18.7 times 18.7. So 7 times 7 is 49, carry your 4. 7 times 8 is 56, plus the 4 that you carried is 60, carry your 6. 7 times 1 is 7, plus the 6 that you carried is 13. Put your x, move to the 8. 8 times 7 is 56, carry your 5. 8 times 8 is 64, plus the 5 that you carried is 69, carry your 6. 8 times 1 is 8, plus the 6 that you carried is 14. Put 2 x's and move to the 1. 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 1 is 1, add them up. So 9 plus nothing is 9. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19, carry your 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 8 is 13, plus the 1 that you carried is 14, carry your 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus the 1 that you carried is 3. 1, 2 decimal spots, 1, 2 decimal spots. So area equals 3.14 times 349 and 69. So now, what we need to do is take that 349 and 69 and put that one on the top. Because it has the most digits, and then put your 3.14 on the bottom. All right, so 4 times 9 is 36. Carry your 3. 4 times 6 is 24, plus the 3 that you carried is 27, carry your 2. 4 times 9 again is 36, plus the 2 that you carried is 38, carry your 3. 4 times 4 is 16, plus the 3 that you carried is 19, carry your 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 1 that you carried is 13. Put your x, move to the 1. 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 3 is 3. Put 2 x's, so you can move to the 3. 3 times 9 is 27, carry your 2. 3 times 6 is 18, plus the 2 that you carried is 20, carry your 2. 3 times 9 is 27 again, plus the 2 that you carried is 29, carry your 2. 3 times 4 is 12, excuse me. 3 times 4 is 12, plus the 2 that you carried is 14, carry your 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus the 1 that you carried is 10. Add up your 3 number lines. So 6 plus nothing is 6. 7 plus 9 is 16, carry your 1. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 7 is 21, plus the 1 that you carried is 22, carry your 2. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus the 2 that you carried is 20, carry your 2. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 9 is 16, plus the 2 that you carried is 18, carry your 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus the 1 that you carried is 9, and that's a 0, and that's a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal spots. So 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal spots. So the area of my circle is 1,098 and 266 centimeters squared. All right, so if you have questions, if you need help, ask now before your quiz. Because as soon as your quiz comes, no one's going to be able to help you answer them. All they can do is tell you if you got it right or not. And good luck. I hope it went really well. I hope these 3 weeks have gone really well. And also, I really hope that if I made mistakes during the math lessons, that you understand that I was kind of rushing through them. So, I hope you understand everything. Good luck on your quiz.